Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching high-end skin retouching using Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now, right-click on the image layer and click on the duplicate layer, then click OK. Press Ctrl+I to make inverse color effect. Go to blending mode, and select vivid light option. Now, go to filters, others, high pass. Keep the radius at 24 pixels. Now, go to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Keep radius at 4 pixel. Press and hold Alt key, then click on the mask option. This will create a negative mask on the layer. Select the white color in color box. Now, select the brush tool, and start painting on the skin. Paint all the skin area very precisely to make it look natural skin tone. Do not paint on highlight areas like lips and eyes. Look at the before and after. We are done here. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.